Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review about JBL Live 200BT wireless earphone and neckband. And this is actually really nice, actually from JBL Go. And it has because it has a signature JBL signature sound and wireless hands-free set, and it really gives a nice premium sound actually. So it comes around some kind of 5,000 rupees price range in the box, but they are giving around some 3,900 rupees. Actually it's really good. Actually I've reviewed it personally, so this unboxing video to help you to buy the videos. I'll leave the links in the description below. You can go ahead and buy it if you really like it. So this is a legendary JBL signature sound. It's like they're telling us it's found in the consent in studios, and this is now you can the sound you can feel in the concerts. You can feel in your headphone, and it can last for 10 hours battery backup. So that what they're telling is, like, if you have 2 hours of charge, it can give playback of 10 hours, and also it can give quick launch access to Google Assistant or Siri, and it can stream wireless, and you can connect to multiple this one devices. So this is unboxing video. I just removed it. So this is the actual band. So it has box and everything for charger port, and we're just taking out of this one. So it's really comfort, and it provides a premium. Actually the quality of the material is really premium, as you can really feel that neckband. It's really powerful and flexible, and it's really nice. That's what I feel. And it comes with 1 year warranty, and for warranty you need to contact the customer care. And it's really elegant design and nice feature. So coming to that features, right? Actually that's like headphones. I mean magnetic the magnetic bands, it can connect to each other, so you can see it can connect. Okay, the magnetic ear tips instantly. Okay, so this is the volume on, the Bluetooth on button. Yeah, Bluetooth is on now. So once it's on, you can switch it off if you want. And the other side is the volume button. Okay, it can increase the volume or decrease the volume. Okay, uh, yeah, these are the nice features, guys. So this is really nice. So I feel actually this is really good. Actually, if you can connect it, and you can use it for long times, and also hands-free stretchable calls for long time. So thanks for watching. Actually, if you like this video, please like, and if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's all about it. So I thought of finishing now, but my friend wants to put it on listen how it is, and he just over that, and I was trying to connect his phone to check how it's working fine. So you just connect it to the Bluetooth pair to the Bluetooth with the JBL Live200BT, and here is quality of the sound. It feels extremely wonderful. You just connected to this JBL Live200 Bluetooth connectivity. It just connected, so I just started listening the songs, and here is his review. You can see his, what it says. He says it's wonderful. Yeah, that's all about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Please like and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.